I want to quickly compare and contrast Monday.com and Jira Business Plan software. So here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about Monday.com, I want you to think about an all-in-one collaboration tool. And basically, when you think about Jira, I want you to think about a project management tool that basically DevOps teams. I mean, this is pretty much IT related. Actually, this is a tool that DevOps teams primarily use. But the cool thing is that whether you have a Monday.com collaboration tool or a Jira Business Plan software, you can use, project management software. You can use these two tools for business plan software use. You can actually write a business plan with the tools. You can actually do a collaboration. You can do a review, feedback, and everything. Okay. And so what we talk about here is that you have, first of all, when we talk about Monday.com is a work management tool. So Monday.com actually has, it's actually an enterprise software solution that helps teams track their work. And so plan and track their work. So we're talking about planning here, but also tracking. And so based on Kanban, Monday work management features bright, easy to read visual elements and a clean and attractive interface. While Monday work management can take a while to actually master, so we have a steep learning curve here, most users should find the interface relatively intuitive. So that's for Monday.com work management. What about Jira? So when you think about Jira, I want you to think about a proprietary project management tool, basically that actually has a strong agile component. Okay, so Jira shows the hallmarks of being developed for developers. It provides sophisticated, complex, and sometimes challenging reporting tools. So if you are thinking about using Jira for your business plan needs, if you have a background already in development in IT, you will love it. Jira is part of the broader Atlassian ecosystem. Atlassian products include Jira, Confluence, you have Bitbucket, and Trello, the well-known Kanban project management suite. In fact, the same credentials can be used to log in both Trello and Jira. So this is really good. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Let's quickly talk about the features here. So when we talk about Monday.com versus the Jira Business Plan software, let's really pay attention to some features. So the thing is, I first want to start with Kanban boards and views. Okay, Monday tops Jira for Kanban boards because of its ease of use, strong visuals, and versatility of views and formats. The Kanban board in Monday work management is highly visual and easy to use. You can use it for business plan software as a business plan software tool with bright colors and clear elements. Okay, Monday work management offers more than just Kanban views. It also offers tables, files, forms, and cards. Employees can look at projects in the view states that make the most sense to them. Jira's Kanban board is more sophisticated than Monday work management Kanban, but it can be difficult to use. While Jira's Kanban is potentially more professional and polished, it front loads more information to the screen, which can be distracting or confusing. In addition to Kanban, Jira also provides Scrum and Sprint boards. What about progress reporting? Well, Monday Work Management has a feature called Pulse that allows managers to see how their team is doing on a specific project at a glance. Let's say you are working on a business plan. Your managers, if you're part of a team, your managers or your superiors can actually see what's really happening. They can see a status update, not a problem. So this is really good. And Pulse is useful for quickly identifying issues, roadblocks, and even areas in which the project is going better than expected. Jira provides a similar feature, but it's nestled within its reporting functionality. For some, it can be difficult to master, but it's robust when used properly. And Jira's agile reporting lets users select from dozens of reports to view real-time actionable insights for team performance. What about marketing? Well, for marketing campaigns with sales teams, Monday is a better choice because it is tailor-made for marketing. So if you're a marketing team and you're working on a business plan, you will love actually Monday.com better. And also Monday.com has native features that are sales and marketing friendly. Okay, so Monday Work Management. Really the thing is when you analyze in depth, you see that this feature, the campaigns feature, for example, allows teams to easily create and track marketing campaigns. This feature is intended for teams that use Monday Work Management to track their marketing projects and progress, and native features are included to that effect. Jira does not have native support for marketing and sales personnel specifically. That being said, marketing teams can still use Jira's work management solutions for their project management needs, especially when it comes to business plan writing and business plan coordination. They simply are not tailored towards sales teams. Also, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Monday.com versus Jira business plan software. Let's talk about ease of use. So Monday Work Management, in our view, is specifically considered by users to be easier to use than, let's say, Jira. And within Monday, it's very easy to customize and view reports. Jira can be more difficult to use than Monday Work Management, but it's more powerful. Okay. For power users, Jira can provide more in-depth insight into project management and the project management flow, especially as it relates to business plan coordination, business planning, and business plan writing. But it's all about, again, the feedback and the background of the users. So if they have a strong IT background, they will love Jira for sure. What about integrations? Monday Work Management integrates with more than 1,000 other applications. Jira integrates with more than 500 to 3,000 other applications. Between the two project management solutions, in our view, Jira and Monday Work Management should really integrate with virtually any software solution than an organization needs. So it shouldn't be a problem, okay? And Monday integrates, by the way, Monday integrates with Slack, you have Google Drive, you have Trello, you have MailChimp, you have Zendesk, and you have Microsoft Teams. Jira integrates with Salesforce, Glyphy, Zephyr, you have Tempo, Microsoft Teams, and Google Docs. Most popular integrations are covered by both tools, so there will rarely be an issue. An organization may need to check on these integrations if they are trying to combine Monday Work Management or Jira into an obscure or niche tech stack. It really depends. What about roadmaps? Well, Jira best Monday in roadmaps because it has a native roadmaps feature, okay, that lets users display bird's eye view of projects, includes feature allowing communication with stakeholders. Monday Work Management leans heavily on its existing project management utilities, plus reports and views. There is not a native roadmap feature in the Monday Work Management platform, but there are multiple ways to view project tasks. Jira, as I just said, provides users with a feature called roadmaps through which they can communicate with stakeholders, including regulators and investors, display a bird's eye view of the project, and ensure the project is on task. Let's talk about security here. So when we talk about security, basically it's really a tie because for bigger organizations, Jira wins on security because it offers higher level, enterprise grade security solutions and provides better administration and provisioning. Monday Work Management and Jira are both compliant with GDPR, CCPA, and other data privacy regulations. Security shouldn't be a concern for either of these two project management products because they both have been designed to facilitate mid-level organization and enterprise use. Jira offers, in our view, higher level enterprise-grade solutions through Atlassian access. Organizations will have better administration and provisioning suites through Jira, but this may be overkill for a mid-sized organization. What about performance here? Well, Monday Work Management is a cloud-based solution, so its performance will depend on the quality of the internet connection that you have. Cloud solutions, based on our research, are redundant and high performance, allowing for complete scalability and accessibility for an organization needs. In other words, when you grow, the software grows with you as well. Jira is also a cloud-based solution. It can be run on premises if needed, which may actually offer better performance for some users and better security for certain organizations. And Monday cannot be downloaded directly to an on-premises machine, whereas Jira can for now. Jira is planning on adding support for its on-premise systems next year. What about Scrum support? Now, both Monday Work Management And Jira offers, they offer Scrum boards to actually help with agile development. However, Jira is more robust, offering features like release trains, sprints, burn down charts, and velocity tracking. Okay, and this calls back to Jira's original feature as an agile project management suite. So bottom line here is what? Bottom line here is that if you are a sales organization or an IT or ops devs team, you can still use either tool to sort of further your business plan, writing, and coordination programs. You just have to figure out how to best use it. And in some cases, you might need to integrate one or two other third-party apps. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Monday.com versus Jira's business plan software. So what is the verdict here? So let's talk about choosing between Monday Work Management and Jira, okay? And the question is, first of all, I want to show you on the screen here. Here is a pricing here. Here's a pricing for Monday.com. And so Monday Work Management is best suited, in our view, for small to mid-sized teams that need a visual Kanban board and easy to use progress reporting features. So if you are in that category and you are working on a business plan and you need to kind of have easy to use progress reporting features, you want to go with Monday.com. And so this project management solution, I'm talking about Monday.com here, is also a great choice for teams that want to try out the tool before they commit to using it, since it offers a free trial period. And the cool thing is the free trial period, you don't have to actually give your credit card to actually use the tool. Not a problem. Okay. So use Monday Work Management for your business plan coordination, business plan creation, business plan review, business plan efficiency needs. If you are a small or medium-sized business, if you need attractive, easy to use project management, if you focus on Kanban boards for business plan creation and task management and resource allocation, and you would like to try out a system before you buy it. In our view, Jira is best suited for medium to large teams. I'll speak about that later on, but I just want to quickly say that Jira is best suited for large to medium teams that need a more sophisticated Kanban board and advanced progress reporting features. It is also a good choice for teams already using other Atlassian products, since Jira integrates well with them. So other Atlassian products here, we're talking about Confluence, talking about Trello, for instance, right? We're talking about other products. And it's really important to understand that you have to also look at the profile of the team that's going to use the products, okay? So you have to really make sure that there is a sync between the expertise level within the team and the software you want to get. So basically, you want to use Jira if you are a large enterprise level company. If you need detailed and sophisticated project management for your business plan creation, business plan coordination, business planning in general. If you focus on Kanban and agile development, you want to go with Jira. And if you are already using other Atlassian products, you also want to go with Jira. Okay. It's really important. Now, both Monday Work Management and Jira are excellent progress boards that facilitate Kanban style project management. And both Jira and Monday Work Management should provide best-in-class project management, productivity, and collaboration features. The question here is that you have to really ask yourself, what do I really need at this point? Okay. And what is, as I just said, what is the expertise level of my team? And most importantly, also, what the features do I really need? And what is the long-term vision of the strategy here? So if I'm working on a business plan, if I'm creating a business plan, if I'm reviewing a business plan, if I'm actually expanding my business plan, is it a short-term thing? Is it a long-term thing? Is it a medium-term thing? So you really want to think about it, because the bottom line here is that you need to think about scalability. When anytime you work on a business plan, you need to think about scalability. Now, can you get that scalability through Jira or through Monday.com? Again, I want to say that if you are a small or medium-sized business, you want to go with Monday.com. If you are a large enterprise, if you want to have enterprise level sort of security, go with Jira. Okay. Obviously, with Jira, you're not going to have like a visually appealing interface, but this should really be this should not be the main concern here. You want to pay attention to things like scalability. You want to pay attention to security. You want to pay attention to efficiency. And it seems in our research that at that level of sophistication, Jira is better off. I mean, Jira is the better choice if you are looking for some kind of reassurance or assurance in that sense. Okay, so Jira, large enterprise, Monday.com, work management, small or medium-sized business. Before we close to this conversation, let me really quickly talk to you about the rivals here. So when we talk about Monday.com and Jira, obviously you can use those two tools for either of these tools for business plans management or business plan coordination. But there are other products on the market that can really help you as well. First of all, you have Rike, you have Smart Sheets, you have Zoho Projects, and you have Resource Guru. And the thing is that most of these tools are project management tools that you can actually parlay the features of those tools into business planning, business plan coordination, business plan creation. And most of them have templates, business plan templates that you can customize to suit your needs. Okay. When you think about Rike, think about a tool that allows you to tackle complex business plan creation and business plan coordination projects. And you are basically, you can break projects into simple steps, assign tasks to team members, and visualize progress with Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and calendars. You can manage resource allocation and forecasting with software that's easy to launch. And automation and AI features strip away time-consuming admin tasks so that you can do the best work of your life. This is really cool. With Smartsheet is basically an online work execution platform that empowers organizations of all sizes to plan, manage, automate, and report on work. You can use it to actually create and coordinate your business plan as well. Zoho Project is basically an online project management software that helps teams plan projects and track them efficiently to the finish line. So this is really cool. So you can also, again, you have a business plan template component that's part of a Zoho Project, so you can use it for your business planning. Not a problem. So by intuitively reporting the business progress and budget health, the solution here enables teams to make quick decisions, catering to all kinds of teams. Zoho Projects facilitates automating tasks, workflows, and project notifications in a bid to improve productivity. So this is really cool for your business planning as well. And the last one is a Resource Guru. And this is basically another way it's a flexible way to schedule teams and keep projects on track. And you are able to get full visibility of who is available and who is overworked, so people and projects succeed in harmony. So we love that a lot. You can actually insert efficiency into your business planning. You can assign work, you can balance workloads, you can edit schedules in seconds, and you can actually keep your team up to date with personal dashboards and daily schedule emails. You can analyze utilization rates, clients, and projects for more accurate forecasts and budgets. Fantastic. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, let me do a quick recap here. So this was a quick compare and contrast of Monday versus Jira business plan software. And so basically, I gave you the overview, the features, the verdict, and the rivals. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.